Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is slightly different to the one I posted before on this channel. You know, when I have a spare time, I like to spend time on servicing vintage amplifiers like this. You know, I recently purchased this unit and I was looking for this for a while and finally managed to find one somewhat cheap, but when it's cheap, it needs a lot of attention. Again, this isn't my day job, it's just a hobby and decided to share with you guys. But anyway, as you can see, this it's not in great condition. Previous owner mentioned this was stored for a long time and definitely need a service, and also definitely need a good clean because it's all sticky and smelly. Really bad smell, by the way. So first thing is to do a deep clean before doing any kind of work on it. So I took outside. It's a beautiful day here in the UK. It's a bit cold because we are still in March, but sun is out. So stay tuned, I'll post more videos in coming weeks. Let's get started.